Yo.
It says list 2 questions you have about the Kaha bird.
Read the first 2 pages of the fisherman and the Kaha bird, and the last 2 questions you have about the Kaha bird. Find the answer in the text.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you have any questions about the Kaha bird? One question.
I think Kaha bird shouldn't give more fish to the fisherman because fisherman at last fisherman need more fish and the Kaha bird doesn't give it.
So one question about the Kaha bird. Like, what does the Kaha bird look like? What does the Kaha bird do? One question about the Kaha bird. Can you think of one question about the Kaha bird?
Kaha bird is very generous.
So, how is the Kaha bird generous, right? How is
Kaha bird generous?
Is it very? How is he generous? Okay. And now, find the answers in the text. We can do it. Where is it? Here, right? I see you work for very little reward, the Kaha said. I wish to help you. Every day, I will bring a large fish to your house that you can sell at the market.
So the Kaha bird is very generous to the fisherman.
So this is our question, and this is our text evidence.
Awesome. Yeah.
Good job. Question answered. Right. Comprehension skill 2. Theme.
Theme.
Do you know theme?
Theme is
You can read here.
The theme is the central message or lesson that an author wants you to understand. The type and the theme of the story. Look closely at what the structures said and do.
Good job. This word is different. It's characters.
Character.
It looks like ch, but it's k. Characters.
Character.
Like the fisherman is a character. The Kaha bird is a character.